guys, welcome back to the Walk to Racing YouTube channel. It's a cold day here in Texas. It's like 37 degrees outside. I live in South Houston, so just 15-20 miles north of me. It was snowing pretty bad yesterday, which is, I mean, it's very rare. Seen it once or twice, snow, you know, half an inch or so, but not this bad. Pretty cold day, but I got something cool, a little Raptor update for you. I've got the wheels mostly sorted out, wheels and tires. I went with the Fuel Zypher, the true beadlock wheels. They're still a cast wheel, but they're very good looking to me on a Ford Raptor compared to most. But a lot of people do run them, and if anybody knows me, I don't like to do things that a lot of other people like to do. I like to be a little different. So with this being said, and a lot of people run it, had to change it up a little bit. And I decided to take the beadlock rings off and send them to a buddy of mine, Trey at Headlight Specialties here. He painted the beadlock ring. Usually I powder coat them, but because the new 2020 Ford Raptor, I guess it's a common color, been out for a year or two, Rapid Red Metallic, is a little bit newer. There isn't a powder coat that quite matches it real close without having to do a whole bunch of work to try to do, trial and error. So I'd be paying a lot for the powder coater to do sample shots. Decided to paint them. We'll ceramic coat over the top of them just to make sure they're protected, but they look pretty good. Let me show them to you right now. So excuse the dirtiness at the top of this wheel box. As you can see, very, very, very close match to the Rapid Red. I think it's spot on. You don't see any trash or anything like that in the actual ring. This is a metal ring. So he laid it on there pretty thick and it looks good. I'm pretty pleased with this. He actually did paint the bolts, which that's gonna be kind of a pain in the ass. We're gonna have to do something special, either put a bag over the tool or something. Use a little bit smaller Allen head and put a bag over it, but he painted every single bolt. So that should be interesting. These threads will clean themselves off, so don't worry about it. I mean, it'd been a little bit better if they were taped off, but they'll clean themselves off. But I'm actually heading to the tire shop right now. We are going to mount the wheels and tires. I got a set of 35 1250 R17 Toyo RTs on the way. It's just kind of my favorite all-around tire. It looks aggressive enough. It's more of a Baja style tire more than a MT or a mud tire, which I think personally looks better on a Raptor. And it's not just too overdone, as well as it's pretty quiet and it's a nice warranted 50,000 mile tire. Run them all the time, as long as you get the appropriate tire for the application. Like I have Toyo RTs on the front of this truck. This is a load range F, so it's made for 1-ton trucks and stuff like that. I got the load range E, which is a 10 ply that's made for the light duty trucks like F-150s and stuff like that. So as long as you get the right tire for the application and the weight rating, they're real good tires. Yes, ma'am. Can I get a Route 44 Dr. Pepper, please? Yeah, what else? That'll be it. We'll be right up with you. Thank you, ma'am. I don't know about anybody else around here, but in Texas, me personally, I can't start a day off without a Sonic Dr. Pepper. Jesus Christ. Worst day ever. If I can't have a Sonic Dr. Pepper, I might as well just put my ass back in bed. Ain't worth it. Don't get shot, baby. How fast are you able to get some 35s in? Oh yeah, sweet. I need 4 sensors too. Oh. So I need 4 sensors too. Say hi.
Alright, I got them.
Timmy Stubbs, Tires by Design. Tire wheel plug. What do they got to do? Just tell them I sent you and they get a 50% discount, right? Or it costs more, whatever. Yeah, whatever happens.
Free trip.
Yeah, free. Yeah. Timmy Stubbs Racing, man. Some of the fastest small tire radial street cars that you can see here in Houston. And then I just push boxes off and he does everything for me. Got them all dropped off. Timmy Stubbs is gonna take care of me. Give me some 35s on order. He's gonna make sure to scratch them all to hell and back, and then punt them out the door and get me on my way. Special treatment. Dude, I'm telling you, they turned out really good. Now this is gonna be the fun part. I didn't even take them out of the box for you. It looks like it's on there good, but I don't know, go down in size in an Allen head, put a bag over it, or put painter's tape around the end of it.
Probably just put the painter's tape around it.
You gotta make it look good. If this gets posted, ain't nobody gonna come here. At least last time when they're powder coated, they were like a gray, so if you nicked them or anything, it didn't look, it didn't look any different. Yeah. Now I painted them fucking red, so you're gonna see silver and chrome and
all the scratches.
Yep.
We'll see. Might scratch the fuck out of it.
It'll be alright. If you get one of them on there and it looks like complete ass, just call me back, tell them come pick them up.
We're gonna retry this.
The only thing is now with the paint and the painter's tape, it's like a fucked off size. What do you have to torque those to? Is it the same like everything else, 18, 20 pounds or what? Yeah.
A little bit since I've done these double checks.
Not too bad though. Just, it's gonna take you 3 hours because you're gonna have to do them all by hand.
Hopefully it's not 25 degrees outside.
Oh yeah. I don't have to have these back by tomorrow, so.
It'll be here tomorrow. I'll get started on it.
Yeah, ain't no big deal. Just give me a call if anything happens. All right, baby. Appreciate it.
Yep. Later, man.
Anybody need anything ever, Tires by Design, come see Timmy Stubbs. They've got 4 or 5 locations around Houston, Southeast Houston, all over. Man, they do whatever discount won't do, and they take care of you. They don't say no to things that are possible, and they'll steer you in the right direction. You got race car needs, you got truck needs, you got commercial needs. They'll get you handled, they'll get you out the door. They can do powder coat, paint, custom setups. They can get you anything ordered.